Welcome to Fun and Learn channel where we learn lot many new things with the help of stories.
Let's listen to the story of H and learn words from H. One morning, Honey the hippo was sitting outside his house wearing a beautiful red hat. He was really looking handsome. Honey was feeling very happy. What a lovely day, he said with a smile. Just then, a strong wind blew by and snatched his hat right off his head. Honey saw his neighbor, Hen, and asked her if she had seen his hat. Hen said, I have not seen your hat, but I am very hungry. Can you give something to eat? Honey gave the hen some corn to eat, and then both of them went in search of the red hat. As they walked down the hill, they saw Harry the horse. Where are you going? We're looking for my hat, said Honey. Let me help, Harry said. I saw it flying near the river. Suddenly, they heard a loud, dropping sound in the sky. It was a helicopter! Henry waved both hands. Hey, up there! Have you seen a red hat? The helicopter pilot leaned and said, Yes! It's stuck on the tall tree near the river. The helicopter hovered close to the tree, and the pilot gently reached out with a long stick to grab the hat. He returned it to Honey with a smile. All the friends laughed, feeling warm and happy. And from that day on, whenever something went missing, Honey, Hen, Harry, and their helpful helicopter friend would work together hand in hand to find it. Hope you enjoyed the story. Now it is time to learn some words with letter H. Hippo, horse. Hen, hyena. Honey badger, honey bee. Honey, hamster. Hungry, helicopter. Hat, house. Head, head, hand. Happy, heart.
Let's see how we can write H. Make a standing line, go halfway up and a bumpty. It's an H. Let's do one more time. Make a standing line, go halfway up and a bumpty. It's H. Thank you. Hope you like the story. And don't forget to download the worksheet and keep practicing. Bye bye. See you with a new story soon.